Okay, absolute value. The absolute value uses this symbol right here with some number or group of numbers in between here. It's basically like a grouping symbol. And what does it mean? Absolute value is the distance from 0 on the number line. It's the distance from 0 on the number line. So we have our number line. This is 0. And I want you to think of 0 as being where home is. That's your home. Everything is based on this, 0. Everything with absolute value. So let's take a look at this one here. The absolute value of 3. That means how far is 3 from 0? What's the distance? Well, let's see. The answer would just be 3. Here's 3. It is 1, 2, 3 spaces from 0, right? Because this number is 3 spaces from 0 on the number line. That is why it's a value of 3. Let's try the next one. Negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2. Well, here's negative 2. The distance from 0 is 1, 2 spaces, right? So, why is that? Because this number, negative 2, is 2 spaces. It's 2 spaces from 0. Negative 2 is 2 spaces from 0 on the number line. That's how far away it is from our home, 0. Okay, the absolute value of 14 is 14. Why? Because this number, 14, is 14 spaces from 0 on the number line. It all has to do with how far away it is from 0 on the number line. The absolute value of negative 8. How far is negative 8 from 0? That would be 8, because negative 8 is 8 spaces from 0 on the number line. All right, it's always how far away it is from 0 on the number line. And you notice how all our answers are positive because distance is positive. It's measured positively. Okay, now we're going to simplify expressions with absolute value. So notice the absolute value symbol is here. Here's the absolute value. That means how far away from 0. Negative 5 is 5 spaces from 0. Plus this 5 is 5 spaces from 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. The answer is 10. Go to one below. The absolute value of 14, how far away is 14 from 0? Minus, oh, we have to figure this out. Let's see. We have 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. How far is the absolute value of 12? How far is 12 from 0? 12. It's 12 spaces. Now, I could have just done this. I could have said this is the absolute value of 12, and 12 is 12 spaces. You could do that. 12 is 12 spaces from 0. You could do that way or just shorten it up. And so 14 minus 12 is 2. Either way, the answer is 2. Okay, let's go to the upper right. This one's a little tricky. We have to figure this out first. 6 take away 10. 6 and you take away 10. What would that be? 6 take away 10. If you did not know that and you look at the number line here, here's 6, and if I take away 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'd be at negative 4. So negative 4 is how much this comes out to be. And negative 4 is 4 spaces from 0. So this right here comes out to negative 4, which is 4 spaces from 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. Just like parentheses, this basically means times. So we have 5 times the absolute value of negative 2. Well, negative 2 is 2 spaces from 0. So I have 5 times 2. That would be 10. So this is how we simplify expressions with absolute value. And it's always how far it is away from 0. Absolute value means how far away is from 0. One last thing to mention, you don't have to write this, but we have grouping symbols like parentheses, brackets, braces, and now we have absolute value, which means whatever number's in here, it's asking how far away it is from 0.